Hello and welcome to my channel. We're gonna do a very easy stitch in this tutorial. I'm gonna use 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. This stitch works with even numbers. I chain here 12 chains. We're gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook we're gonna do a single crochet. Into the next chain, single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain. I'm gonna do a small sample. Just make sure that you chain even numbers, and after you do single crochet in each chain, you're gonna end up with an odd number of stitches. So that is supposed to be that way. Okay, into the last chain, single crochet. Okay, we're gonna chain 2. This stitch has 2 rows repeat. So we're gonna skip the first stitch where the chain is coming, yarn over the hook, we're gonna move to the next stitch, and in this second stitch we're gonna do 4 double crochet together. So 1, go back again into the same stitch, do the second, and you go for the third and the fourth one. So you should have 5 loops on your hook. Now we're gonna pull the yarn through all the loops, chain 1, and when you chain this one, make it a little bit loose, just an idea. Okay, we're gonna skip the next stitch, and into the next we're gonna repeat 4 double crochet together. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. You should always have 5 loops on your hook. Pull the yarn through all these 5 loops, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and into the next we're gonna repeat 4 double crochet together. Five loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 1, and we're gonna repeat, skip the next stitch, and into the next 4 double crochet together. Pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and into the next 4 double crochet together. If I move too fast, you can slow down the speed of the video, and you're gonna see what I'm doing. Okay, 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, and we're now gonna chain 1. Yarn over the hook, we're gonna go to the last stitch of this row, go to the last stitch, and do a double crochet. This is how you're gonna finish this row, with a double crochet at the end. Chain 1, turn your work, and this is the second row that you're gonna repeat. So the first stitch is here, we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and the next single crochet we're gonna do into that one chain. That's why I said make it a little bit loose, that will be easy for you to go through. Single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next is the chain in which you're gonna go through that chain and do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and so on. It's stitch, chain, in which you're gonna place a single crochet. Yeah. And now at the end we have the next stitch, where this stitch is where we close together the 4 double crochet. So you're gonna go through that stitch, and you're gonna do a single crochet, and we have the chain 2 at the end. So we're gonna go on top of the second chain and we're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna chain 2, turn your work, and now we're gonna repeat the row with 4 double crochet together. So it's gonna look like this. You can alternate colors, you can use variegated yarn. This stitch is quite nice if you have a variegated yarn or you change colors every 2 rows. So you change the, let's say the color when you start the single crochet row. So you do 1 row of single crochet with 1 color, and the same color you're gonna do the 4 double crochet together. And when you have to start the single crochet row, you're gonna change the color if you wish to. So now we're gonna skip the first stitch, and into the second we're gonna repeat 4 double crochet together. So 1, go back again into the same stitch, second, go back again, the third and the fourth. 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and into the next, 4 double crochet together into the same stitch. If you think that this is too big, 4 together, you can put 3. Skip the next stitch and into the next, 4 double crochet together. Five loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and into the next, 4 double crochet together. This is such an easy stitch, goes really fast, but I think it's, like I said, it's very nice to use either variegated yarn or you change your colors with this stitch. Skip the next stitch and into the next, 4 double crochet together, and you have 1 stitch left at the end. So that way you will know if you miss when you skipped. Five loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, do not chain 1, yarn over the hook and go to the last stitch and do a double crochet. Yeah? You're gonna chain 1 and you're gonna do 1 row of single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch is here, single crochet. Next stitch is where we close those 4 double crochet together, right there. And next is the chain. You're gonna go through the chain and do a single crochet. Go to the next stitch, single crochet, and next is the chain in which you're gonna place a single crochet. This goes really fast. And it's quite warm. You can do it any yarn size. You can work this stitch. So the next is the stitch where we close these 4 double crochet together. You're gonna go in there and do a single crochet, and then at the end you have the chain 2 in which you're gonna go on top of the second chain and do a single crochet. So this will be the row that you finish your project, whatever you choose to do, a scarf, a blanket, a hat. You start with the first row single crochet, and you're gonna finish with a single crochet at the end. And then you're gonna chain 2 and turn your work, and you're gonna do the row with 4 double crochet together. So this is the stitch. Goes really fast. And you can do so many things with this stitch. Even for a scarf, even though this is the back of the work, this is the front, I think for a scarf it's quite nice. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.